Hey there. Most planners are print and fill grids that tell you nothing. This one is a live time audit. You block out your ideal week, tick off what you actually did, and it shows you where the hours really went. Let me walk you through it. Start on the dashboard. Total planned hours, deep work hours, and your deep work ratio. The share of your week that's genuinely high value time rather than admin and meetings. The weekly planner is where you build the week, Monday to Sunday, across the columns, time down the side, and you drop a category into each block: deep work, meetings, admin, exercise, breaks. Daily detail zooms into one day in 30-minute blocks. What you planned, the category, your energy level, whether you finished it, and a notes column for what actually happened. Categories is the settings tab. Each block type gets a color, a meaning, and an ideal hours per week target. Set these once and everything downstream measures against them. The time audit is where it gets useful. Your ideal hours per category against what you actually planned, the difference, and a status flag. This is the tab that tells you your calendar doesn't match your intentions. The time waster log is the honest one. Every interruption, the date, the trigger, minutes lost, and which block it wrecked. The leak summary adds it up. Monthly trends tracks the whole thing week over week. Deep work hours, focus score, hours lost to leaks, with a notes column so you can see which changes actually worked. And the ideal day library gives you worked examples. A remote knowledge worker's day, a student's day, as starting points rather than a blank grid. That's the time blocking and daily schedule planner. Works in Excel and Google Sheets, and the link to grab it is below.